In this video, it's a first attempt at the 8-Ball Deluxe version of the replacement Squawk and Talk board that I've created. I've got the sounds recorded, and I noticed that many of the sounds have alternate recordings on the card. Some have as many as 4. This increases the number of sounds on the card to about 150. Here's an example of 1 or 2 of them with the 4 different alternatives. I've got my replacement Squawk and Talk board all tucked into an 8-Ball Deluxe machine. I've got the upper dip switches set to sound bank 0, where I've got my files located between 0 and 255. I've got the lower banks set to game title 3, which is 8-Ball Deluxe, and ignore all my diagnostic stuff stuck to this board. And let's give it a try and see what it sounds like. Now the background's playing the entire time. It's not that bad.